Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was the day 19 of the 100 days challenge to build yourself as a brand. Yes. So today I woke up at 5:52 a.m. and actually, I had kept the alarm for 5 o'clock and I woke up but slept again. Laziness hit me. Anyways, finally I tried to wake up at 5:52 and then I went and had two glasses of water, warm water. And it's a plain water, I don't add anything to it. After that, I got done with most of my work. Like I wanted to finish the works that were pending for a very long time, so I decided to do that. So instead of doing anything else like self-care and meditation or anything like that, I directly went and set for the work so that by that day at least I could like finish it. So then I set continuously, like I set by 6:30 I think, and then still my breakfast time, that was at 9:30 I think, my mom called me. I set continuously to do the work. After that I had my breakfast and then sat down for doing the work again. After that it was the lunch time. I had my lunch and then I had to call a client for a video edit. So this client called me actually, that the video had to be edited. So they sent me the files and I did that editing. After that I got freshened up and had my dinner, and then I was being called for an offer, so by one client. Okay, so it was a political, I could say a political offer, and I accepted it at that time because nothing came in my mind to decline it. Okay, and I knew that I was very uncomfortable with these political things, but still I don't know why I did accept it. Okay. But it was night time, so I was rather excited for that. And then I did my skincare and went to sleep by 10 o'clock. That was how the day 19 ended. There was nothing much, but I did complete my most of the work that was like piled up. There is still a little more, but the plate has cut into half now. So not the plate, the serving or the food, I don't know what it is. Anyways, so half of things are done and half are there. We are gonna do tomorrow, the new day, the new start. For today, I'm like really satisfied for what happened. So anyways, thank you for listening and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, take care.